Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Express Cargo. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 4.8-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. The Chevy Express Cargo Van is ready to handle all of your work tools, carpooling to work, or running the kids to soccer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.